Currently on the screen is another look at the Agnes Water Beach webcam. This is available via the Port Authority at Gladstone, and this was around 10 a.m. this morning. Quite a few people out on the beach enjoying the conditions, and welcome to another update from the Force 13's AU channel for December the 7th. A satellite view of the Western region, and this time tomorrow here in Queensland, the start of the school holidays. Delia 14.3 degrees south, 113.0 degrees east, maximum winds 15 knots, central pressure 1010 millibars. Here's the latest NOAA floaters. And whilst the tropical scene remains quiet, the thunderstorm activity is to start up again tomorrow afternoon. Now here's the precipitation for the Southwest Pacific region. This is taking in New Zealand also, and area of interest is the yellow. Rainfall scale right hand side of the screen, and it's in millimeters. Now we have a look at pressure and wind in knots. This is out to the 340 mark. This is also available on the Tropical Tidbits website. The latest position during Typhoon Warning Center, they only have one system on the radar. The satellite view, Southwest Pacific region. And it tracks on X and Delia. And the developing tropical scene, this is the Tropical Cyclone Formation Probability Guide, and I'm looking at the Bougainville area. Here's the latest instability for the next 24 hours. This is a developing picture, and from information received, it looks like the Bureau of Meteorology has finally recognised that we are now in a La Nina event. An area of concern is south of Mackay down to Sydney. That's for tomorrow afternoon. Storm probability guide, and not forgetting or leaving out the Northern Territory, Western Australia, northern regions. And then to the east of the southern tip of Papua New Guinea. Now in this update we have a look at the latest cap. The purple whitish area is the high end of the scale, and the colouring, it represents the intensity of thunderstorm activity. And this information is available on the BSCH website. And the operators of that website provide a fantastic service. Upper level divergence for the Southwest Pacific region. Latest wind shear. The shear tendency, tropical systems, love the area in blue and a bit of the green, not the yellow or the other colours. Now, the 1004 millibar low is probably to the north of New Caledonia, and I'm looking at the Gulf of Carpentaria, a little bit of yellow there. Another satellite view of the western region. And now we're looking at upper level divergence for the western region. Wind shear. The biometeorology, there are no significant tropical lows in the region. None are expected to develop during the next 3 days. That's for the Coral Sea. The shear tendency. Nothing going on in the Gulf of Carpentaria at the latest. Bomb position. Now this is a look at the storm activity over the last 6 days. The Biometeorology in Tasmania has issued a flood warning for the Macquarie River. They've issued one for the Jordan River. Strong wind warning is currently in place for Illawarra, Batemans and the Eden Coast down there in New South Wales. And finally, here's a look at a wind model available on the Windy website. This is across the next couple of days. And this time tomorrow we should be in thunderstorm activity.